Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I normally don't share hauls with you, but I just love this one, so I really need to share it with you. I want to share it with you. So I bought some ribbon and some trims from AliExpress, and I believe the name of the store is My Ribbon Store. So I'm going to put the link in the description box. Guys, this is so pretty. I mean, and their prices are really good. Let me see if I can get you something so you can actually see the... Let me put this under here. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. So there's that one, and the quality, guys, is really good. I was very surprised. So there's that one, and then there is this other one, and I didn't order very much because I didn't know what the quality was going to be like, but these are, you know, they're it's good quality. I can tell you, you know, it's good quality. So there is this one, and then I ordered a black one anticipating Halloween. So, and they came in really fast. I was very surprised that it came in as fast as it did. So I ordered this one, and guys, it's really thick and they are so pretty. And then this one, oh, how pretty is this? Oh my goodness, I love it. And yeah, I mean, everything has a little, you know, most fabrics are, oh, I thought I was gonna have to cut that off. Have those little strings that you need to cut off. For example, this one right here. But look, I mean, it is so pretty. And the prices, I don't know if I said that, but the prices are very reasonable. So what the other one that I ordered was this one. Now, guys, I really thought, this is folded. I really thought that the flowers were going to be all wrinkled. So I did order 3 colors. I ordered that one, the white, and the pink. But the flowers, I mean, they're not wrinkled at all. I mean, they're still holding their shape. They look really good. So I think I'm going to visit this store again. The day that I ordered these, I was talking with my best friend on the phone, and we were talking about ribbons and trims and things like that on Ali. So I got on Ali and I did some shopping. Okay, I did all those ribbons, but I also bought all of these. Oh my gosh, guys, you know, I normally use the thinner ribbons. Now I have this one in the with the gold trim on the edges, but I didn't have a silver one, and I like that it actually comes on a little spool type thing so that I can stack them, you know, put them, organize them in my where my ribbon is at. And again, I anticipated Halloween, so I went ahead and got the orange and black because, you know, orange really is not my color, but Halloween, well, you know. And I didn't have any silver or gray or, you know, whatever you want to call this. So this one's white. These are the white ones. So that's why I got these 2. And I debated on getting the edge with the gold or the silver, but I think I use silver more than I do gold. So I went ahead and got the silver edges on most of them. And then these are the white ones. This one, no, this is still like a silver. And this is the plain white one. And guys, these are like, each spool is like 60 cents. I mean, 60 cents. And I don't know if I think I paid like, it was probably under $25 for all of this. It had to be, because I don't allow myself to spend more than, on AliExpress, more than about $20 at a time. So I want to say, my friend and I were talking, and I told her I was out of control because I think I ordered $22, $23 worth. But anyway, so there's the plain, and then with the silver edges. And then I don't have this color. I don't have brown. I have pink, but not the plain. I have the pink with the gold edge. And then of course purple. There are times that I've needed the purple and I don't have them. And then I got these two organza, I guess, ribbons. And look at that green, isn't that gorgeous? And then the white. So guys, I am going to, and it came in really, really fast. So I am going to put the link in the description box, guys, because yeah, these are awesome. These are amazing as far as the quality goes. The shipping, they ship really fast, and the prices are amazing. Okay guys, I just wanted to share this really quickly with you because I know we're, you know, we're all having to shop online, and you know, they're, you know, the prices are great. So, and their quality is amazing. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. All right guys, we'll talk to you later. Have a great one.